India reported over 50,000 coronavirus cases in a 24-hour period for the first time, government data shows. This is the biggest one-day spike in cases so far. Total cases are 15,83,792. 775 have died in the last 24 hours. The total fatalities are now 34,968. Over 10 lakh people, meanwhile, have recovered. The United States recorded a coronavirus death every minute as total surpassed 150,000 in the country on Wednesday. Fatalities in the US are the highest in the world. The US coronavirus deaths are rising at their fastest rate in 2 months and have increased by 10,000 in the past 11 days. 3 Assam Rifles soldiers were killed while 6 others were injured in a deadly ambush on the army unit near the Myanmar border in Chandel district south of Imphal in Manipur. The ambush took place late on Wednesday night. On July 29th, the army unit had launched an area domination patrol in Kongtal, and when the team was returning, insurgents detonated an IED and opened fire. Google and Facebook were grilled most severely by the US Congress in a much-anticipated hearing that put 4 of America's most prominent tech CEOs in the hot seat. They parried accusations from lawmakers for allegedly crippling smaller rivals. Google CEO Sundar Pichai took the most heat from conservatives, while Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg reportedly took the most damage by stumbling on questions. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced a reduction in value-added tax or VAT to 16.75%, which would make the price of diesel in the national capital cheaper by Rs 8.36 per litre. The deadlock over convening the assembly session in Rajasthan has ended, with Governor Kalraj Mishra agreeing to call a session from August the 14th. The Raj Bhavan announcement came a couple of hours after the Gehlot-led cabinet sent a 4th proposal to the governor for summoning the Rajasthan assembly. The government argued it met the 21-day notice requirement, counting the days from July 23rd when the first proposal was sent.